Hi, welcome to my channel. I have a quick flip through of another fabulous kit from EllsiebelsBookShelf. This is the Day of the Dead. And a lot of people associate Day of the Dead with Halloween and all that. It's not. It's totally different. Day of the Dead is a celebration of your loved ones who have passed on before you. There's parades and flowers, and it's a day of joy to remember them. It's not a scary Halloween thing. A lot of people get it mixed up, but it's because it's like on November 1st and 2nd. So anyway, I tried not to do any Halloween stuff in here, but it's so, the kit is so pretty. And almost everything except the lace, pretty much everything in here came from the kit at EllsiebelsBookShelf, and I will of course put it in the description. All of these things came, all of the ribbons and trims and bits and bobs came for the tassel. This fabric, I love it. I would like to just have some of this fabric. It's so cute. Anyway, here is, there are a lot of the skulls. They're not the scary ones. They're decorated for, you know, celebration or whatever. But so I put some flowers. I put some things in here that you wouldn't expect in a scary journal, because it's not. It's not at all. So anyway, can you stand it? I love it. I love it. And like I said, the lace came from my stash, but everything else, except that didn't, came from, the flowers didn't, but the papers did, and the ephemera, and I love this kit. I just adore it. The paper clip and the button came, and the little eyelash trim, all of that came in the kit. And in a little bag or little goodies. Oh, this was clipped on the back. This is kind of interesting. It's a flip out. Let's see if I could get better. Well, there's an envelope with paint chip in there, but also it flips down. I love this. This is my favorite thing. This is for the parade. They use masks, and so this is a little it's a little mask for the parade. It's just so cute. Put some balloons. These little brads were mine. The other side of the paper bag. The book pages came in the kit. I thought this was kind of cool. Orange inside of an envelope. I love that. Perfect color. Not to mention it's, you know, hook 'em horns, but that's just a little envelope page to write a letter or do some journaling. A little flip up. Paper clip. A color book page of flowers, which I thought was appropriate. This is also a little tuck up here. And a lace flip. And that is it. Like, I just love it. I don't know if I'll be able to get rid of it. It's one of my favorites. Anyway, thank you for watching, and have a good day.